What we're going to be doing in this video is creating an ammunition system. So with an ammunition system, think to your favorite first-person shooter type game, or any shooter type game. Typically what you'll have is you'll have maybe 10 bullets. Like for instance, we can say that this weapon here can support 20 rounds. And what we need to do is you can only fire if you have ammo. And if you don't have ammo, we need to hit the R key to reload, and that will set our ammo back to 20. So in order to do any of that, you need to think in a terms, or in a sense that what is an ammunition system? It's just an ammo count, right? So you could think of it as we can have a variable for current ammo. So here we have private int current ammo. And what is that going to be set to? That's going to be set to whatever the max ammo for our weapon is at the start of the game. So we can set it to default for now. Private int current ammo. We can have another variable that specifies what the max ammo is. So private int, we can say max ammo. And what is that going to be for our weapon? We can go ahead and say 50 rounds. So we go ahead and set that to 50, semicolon, and we can save our script. Now, what do we need to do to actually set current ammo to max ammo when the game starts? In void start here, we need to say current ammo is going to be assigned to the max ammo. So when the game starts, current ammo, which is 0, will now have a value of 50. Now the logic comes down to how do we actually make use of these variables? Well, when should current ammo change? If current ammo is 50, when should it become 49, 48, 47, and so forth? When you shoot, right? When you're holding down the fire button. So down here, when we fire, let's go ahead and say current ammo minus minus. We're going to subtract 1 bullet every time we fire. The next thing we want to do is save this, and let's go ahead and test it out. If you click on your player, you'll see here that we have, actually no, I'm sorry guys, we're missing a variable, or we're not missing a variable, but we want to see this variable in our inspector. So go ahead and add a serialized field above current ammo. And if we look in the scene view, you'll see here that current ammo is now displayed on our player. So right now current ammo is 0. If I run the game, it gets set to 50, and as I shoot, it goes down. So what do I want to do once I'm done shooting? Well, if I'm out of ammo, we need to recognize it. So as you can see here, my current ammo is negative 53. That's a problem. So we need to stop the shooting. So how do we stop the shooting? Well, the logic there is if you're out of ammo, stop shooting, right? So to clean this up a bit, this would be a great time to separate out our code. So right now it's getting a little cluttered in update. Let's go ahead and create a void shoot method. And let's go ahead and drag all of our shooting code into there. Here we have our left mouse hold. We're going to take all of that code, put it into shoot. So if I'm holding down the left click, I'm going to shoot. Now, we only want to call this shoot method though if we have ammo. So if the ammo count, so if current ammo is less than equal to 0, or I'm sorry, we should actually check if it's greater than 0. So if current ammo is greater than 0, that means you have ammo, then we're going to go ahead and shoot. Let's go ahead and save this. And let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm running this, and I'm firing, and my current ammo has been set to 0, yet why was I still firing? My audio is going off and my visuals were going off even though current ammo was 0. That comes down to an error in our code. So if you actually open up your script, if I stop running here, inside our script, we are basically saying is if I hold down the left mouse key, which I have been, if current ammo is greater than 0, then shoot. Well, current ammo is greater than 0 until it equals 0, right? However, this is never getting called. My muzzle flash is never getting called off, and my weapon audio is never stopping because we're constantly holding down the left mouse button. So to fix this, what I can do is I can basically say shoot, and I can check with my mouse click. So here's our shoot method. Let me just clean that up. And then here I can say if I'm holding down the left mouse button and our ammo count or our current ammo is greater than 0, we're going to shoot. Otherwise, we're going to say turn off the muzzle flash, and stop the audio. If we save this and test it out, you'll see that I'll get about 50 rounds out and then it will stop immediately. We'll go ahead and run this. And here I'll go ahead and get 50 rounds. See? And it stops. Now, we need to go ahead and create the reload functionality, which I'm going to go ahead and leave to you as a challenge. What I want you guys to do is basically, when you're out of ammo, I want you to be able to press the R key to reload your weapon, and I want it to take about 1.5 seconds to reload. During that time, you should not be able to fire. I'll see you guys in the challenge review.